The two-day orientation program on forest and wildlife conservation laws for the judiciary in Meghalaya began today. The program, organized by the Meghalaya State Judicial Academy and WWF India, aimed to enhance the understanding of forest and wildlife conservation laws among the judiciary. The program was inaugurated with an address by R.S. Gill, Principal Chief Conservator of Forest, Government of Meghalaya. The program covered various topics related to forest and wildlife conservation, including illegal wildlife trade scenarios in India, environmental rule of law and the role of judiciary, environmental trends and issues in Meghalaya, and legal and policy overview on environment, forest and wildlife.
Passed down to us from Assam and then subsequently amended with MFR 1973, and then subsequent amendments have taken place. In this act, the most important part is about the seizure of the forest produce under section 49. So when any forest produce is seized, it has to be reported to the local divisional forest officer under the section.
The National